नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, बात करते हैं कि पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स में स्टाफ क्राइसिस। हमारे यूनियंस भी लगातार इस बारे में चर्चा करते हैं, लेकिन उनके तरफ से भी कोई कॉन्क्रीट प्रयास नहीं किया जाता है, केवल सर्कुलर रिलीज किया जाता है। एक इकोनॉमिक मैगजीन के हिसाब से द पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स कट हेड काउंट बाई 11,154 in financial year 24. India's public sector bank reduced their employee count by a collective 11,154 in fiscal year 2024. An analysis of the 8 banks' annual report showed among the 8 PSB, State Bank of India reported the highest reduction, 3,562 or 1.5% of the total employees. The next highest was Bank of Baroda, which saw a reduction of 2,607 employees. The lender had a total workforce of the 75,515 employees in financial year 24. Most of the job reduction were seen at the associate level. For instance, SBI's associate level employee count reduced to 92,514 in financial year 24 from 94,977 in financial year 23. Punjab National Bank's sub-staff level employee count fell to 22,781 in financial 24 from 23,827 in financial year 23. Associate jobs mostly include sales, employees in the field, and some staff on the branch level. Hiring at the associate and the low level at public sector bank is expected to slow down in its fiscal year. Their focus would be more on digital operations for the front-end communication, which could lead to a drop-off in hiring in low-level operation roles. We are investing in digital methods which have given us good results. Basic functions like query handling and the collection at the time have been successfully happening digitally. Maybe employee hiring for these roles will not happen aggressively. ये पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक के एक सीनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव ने बताया। Data from the Reserve Bank of India's Handbook of Statistics on Indian economy for 23 showed that on average, the total number of employees in public sector banks fell by 15,000 to 20,000 between 14 to 22-23. In 2013 and 14, the total head count stood at 8,59,692, which fell into 7,56,644 in 22-23. It is also highlighted that between 13 and 14 to 22-23, the total number of clerks at PSC dropped from 3,15,292 to 2,57,771. The total number of subordinate staff too fell to 1,01,555 in 22-23 from 1,56,218 in 13-14. On the flip side, the Bank of Maharashtra saw a rise in its total employment count. The bank's total workforce jumped by 522 employees from 12,977 to 13,499. Bank unions have highlighted that there is a need to add more jobs at the clerical level, considering the increasing pressure at the branch level. There is a need to increase more manpower in public sector banks as they are catering to a large number of customers. On average, an employee in PSP handling 1,000 to 2,000 customers, whereas the same with private banks is around 400 and 500, said Rupam Rai, General Secretary, All India Bank Officers Confederation. और सारे हो हल्ला के बाद भी जो बैंक में रिक्रूटमेंट की बात आती है, अभी IBPS ने जो रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए जारी किया है, उसमें 5 बैंकों ने नॉट रिक्वायर्ड करके अपना ऑप्शन दिया है, अपनी वैकेंसी लिखा है, और के लगभग 6200 के करीब जो वैकेंसी आई है। यूनियन का रोल केवल पत्र लिखना नहीं है, द कॉन्क्रीट सोल्यूशन मस्ट बी देयर। जबकि अगर हम प्राइवेट बैंक और पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक की तुलना करें तो पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक में पर एम्प्लॉय बिजनेस, पर कस्टमर सर्विस ज़्यादा है इन कंपेरिजन टू द प्राइवेट बैंक्स, और हमारे पर्क्स भी हैं उनके कंपेरेटिवली कम है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।